Alex.
Patrick.
What's up, bud?
It is day one of the mentorship. We are doing it live at the BDH. People might wonder, Patrick, why would you do this live? And I said, well, why not? I can already tell you that's gonna get fun. It's gonna get crazy. We got Greg over here. He's already asking questions that, I'm like, oh God, we're back to the basics. But that's the whole point of this, right? It is the point of kind of seeing where these guys are at and what I could help them with. And, maybe they can help me with some stuff. We got the Three Musketeers here, and we're doing it live here on YouTube. This might be the worst idea ever. Before this day's over, I might be yelling and screaming and throwing everybody out of here. Or we might be best friends. We're going to find out either way.
Greg Tarshis from Orlando. Been trading about 8 years now. Mostly swing trading, though. Individual stocks, ETFs, things like that. Just now getting to the future world. Who better to learn it from than the biggest and largest?
What's up? I'm Alex. Originally from Maryland. I live here in Pompano now. I've been trading for about a year to a year and a half. I'm excited for the opportunity and ready to make some money.
Apple for the teacher.
Oh God, that looks sick. Yeah, that looks awesome. This is all the tribute here. All right, oh, okay. We got a cock, perfect fit, got the rooster. We're feeling good. We're looking good, we got more. What else we got here? It says Daddy's home.
Daddy. There you go.
All right, well, hey, at least he didn't bring me a We Miss Kamala shirt. That would have been awkward. It's Monday morning, now I gotta give them some presents and make them some money today. So let's see what happens. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here. All right, boys, let's think about this. I'm gonna see if I can try to get you thinking the right way. What's your normal kind of process? What are you kind of looking at?
Well, first things first, put on Patrick Wieland stream.
Okay,
right?
well, obviously.
I try to wait for the 15-minute opening range breakout before I put on any trades. I keep it simple.
As a swing trader, do you have a different approach?
Not really, because same thing. I try to change things up until I find what perfectly works, and I haven't found that yet. But generally speaking, I write down all my lines. I write down like the London high-low, overnight high-low.
Well, right now we're making new highs here pre-market. So for me, looking at this, it kind of goes with that same idea that if we're making new lows going into open, then I kind of think that there's a possible reversal type setup. The fact that we have not tested, obviously, the overnight low in a while, and we're sitting up here at the highs, kind of leads me to think that, hey, there's possibility for some type of pullback. It just goes straight up. I'm aware that we do have a gap to the downside. Not so much that I'm always like looking to see where the gap is, but I'm just aware that there is this big gap to the downside. So if we do get some selling pressure and the market does pull back, there's obviously lots of room to the downside to fill that gap there. You mostly trade NASDAQ, Alex?
That's it. I'll look over at the ES every now and then just to see if they're moving together, but simple.
Honestly, it shouldn't be complicated, because I think the best traders are the ones who kind of just hone in on one thing.
The goal for me is just to be more consistent. I think one of the biggest things for me and new traders is holding losers too long and cutting the winners short.
How easy it is to take profit, but how hard it is to cut off a loser. Every trade you go into, you're trading either to make some money or to get out of it without losing them. As we prepare for market open here, we got 5 minutes till market open right now. Looking at the 1 minute chart, not much going on here. I'm thinking that there's a good chance maybe we pop up here, take out this 23,100 level, and then we get some pullback, or we just go straight to the fucking moon.
So what I'd start getting excited about is I would look at this, and I would try to put in a long trade already with a stop at like 23,074, just to scalp like, I don't know, 10 points up to 23.
See, sometimes it works out.
Greg was right.
Greg was right. We're here to learn from Greg today. Greg's teaching us, chat. Don't worry. Straight to the moon. Off the charts right now. Look at it. Off the fucking charts. There's that 120 push. Hey, we are making live money right now. This is the live mentorship at the BDH. Look at the chat. Everybody's going wild. How are you not here? How are you not watching this fucking greatness? Through the 190s now. Let's go, boys.
I'm up 280 right now.
Let's go. How nice was that, too? That was such a nice trade. All we are waiting for is a pullback. First candle to make a new high. So that previous candle high was 164.25. So above that 164.25, we can ride that momentum to the upside, get a little bull flag breakout from the 164s all the way up there to the 196s. I took profit early at the 175s for an easy 10 points. We got Alex trailing them there as well. So let's go, baby.
I'm out.
You're out?
Up 290.
Let's go.
5 micros.
This guy, let's go. We got Alex in the hot seat right now. He's in the green. Can't he print the print? He's sweating over there.
So.
Born for this, Maryland boy. His parents told him he'd never amount to anything, and look at him now. He's at the BDH. Now he's getting stopped out because I told him to hold it.
I'm all out. It's alright, I made like
It's okay, now it's gonna stop you out to go higher, don't worry.
Now let's just hold on to that one.
Yeah, no, I think you're in a good spot.
It's a micro.
At least you didn't get short like Ruben did.
I got a little guy too. I went 46.
You went long too?
Yeah, I went 46.
You degenerate motherfucker.
So I got I'm up $40 on the day now, guys.
Up 40 bucks on the day. Let's go. BDH, we're green, baby. We're green.
Look at that. Where dreams happen.
All right now the NASDAQ just kind of chop around up here at the highs. This is a great time to just either look at your P&L or just relax. 215. I mean, at this point, you can pretty much, I think, the 230 to 195 level is a no trade zone. Just got to stay out of those trades there. Trying to figure out what they already know and then what to build on. Where do we go from here? You know, I think it seems like they got an idea of what bull flags and bear flags are. So now we got to figure out what are they lacking? What are they missing? What do they need from me? Those handles aren't always the fucking deepest pullbacks because we're right here. The ES and the NASDAQ just like is sitting right there at the fucking highs. There it goes, straight up. What was that, 270? Little trap. We turn on the creed here at the BDH whenever we need the market to go higher, and it works 99% of the time, all the time. It did go up 5 points, just saying. I'm up $1,500. I need more though.
Alex with the diamond.
Alex with diamond hands over there. Be back tomorrow. Talk to y'all later on. Peace to the Middle East.
What's up, guys? So obviously first day here at the BDH, lots of excitement, really good energy around. I'm learning a lot already. Charts didn't do exactly what I wanted them to do, but we're getting there. Just glad that we got our feet wet the first day and can't wait to keep rock and rolling. I can tell we're gonna learn a lot, grow a lot, and it's gonna be a great 2 weeks. And thank you, Patrick. I mean, this is a phenomenal experience as well.
Whoa. Told me if you don't say nice things, I'm gonna cut him off!
First day here at the BDH, I was probably a little bit more disciplined than I would have been at home. You know, not having to chat stare me down. But, you know, we made some money today and looking forward to the rest of the 2 weeks.
All right, guys. Interesting day of trading, but pretty good day. Everyone learned a lot. Mistakes were made. Good choices were made. I made some money. Some people didn't. Some people did. Pretty good day. Let's go.
All right, day one here at the BDH. We've got Greg, we've got Alex. Not gonna lie, they're fresh. We are fired up. It's BDH vibes. People ask me today, like, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna mentor these guys? I don't know, right? But I tell you one thing, we're gonna get Greg trading the right way. We're gonna get Alex making some money before they leave. The whole thing is every person is different. Every single person sees the market different. So there is no like simple, oh, I just fix this and then you'll be a millionaire and then make this. I like the fact that Greg called out some good trades a day. It seems like he kind of has a good theory on it all, which is what we want to see. The fact that he's kind of reading the market the right way. Maybe I didn't agree with all of them, but that's his style of trading. He might find a style of trading that I don't like, and I'm like, that's stupid, but if it makes money for him, I'm all for it. So risk, reward, management, all that, we're going to be working on that here in the mentorship. I think Alex he's in the right spot. We had a difficult trade, kind of a choppy morning. We had that first like big burst, and then a lot of chop after that, a lot of indecision, and that's hard. But we also talked about that idea, right? The idea that like, hey, you know, normally when if he was trading at home, maybe he would have walked away before kind of getting into that chop zone. Those are all things that we're going to be talking about. We're going to be working on and focused on for the next 2 weeks. I fully believe that when these guys leave the BDH, they're going to be in a lot better place. I'm not going to promise them that they're going to be millionaires, but I will say that I think they're going to leave with all of the right tools and ideas to get to where they want to be with their trading. I know everyone's got their own little trading goals as well. So we're going to learn more about Greg and Alex this week, so make sure you keep tuning in live at the BDH. We'll be putting up some new videos, some new content, and all that fun stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. More action coming to you live from the BDH!